How do I link my Fiverr account to my South African bank account? Keep watching and I'll show you exactly that. Okay, hi, my name is Dian, and if you want to learn more about me and what I do, you can check my social media links down below. And with that said, let's get right into this video. So first up, you'll need a notepad and a pen to make notes, because I'll be going through this tutorial pretty quickly so that I don't waste anybody's time. So yeah, let's get right into it. Also, mind the background. I'm a big fan of Stranger Things. That's the background. Let's go into Google Chrome. Okay, when you're in Google Chrome, you're gonna want to make 3 accounts, or you're gonna want to have 3 accounts. The first one is your Fiverr account, obviously. The second one is you're going to create a PayPal account. Then you'll need to have a South African bank account, but I'm not sure which bank account is eligible to be linked to a Fiverr account. I'm not sure about ABSA, but I know FNB and Capitec is eligible to be linked to PayPal. I'll leave a couple of links down below on how to do it with a couple of different bank accounts, so don't worry about that step. But the first step, let's go right back into Fiverr to link it to your PayPal account. But you'll need a PayPal account, of course, so you'll need to create one, and I'm quickly going to show you how to do that. So all you want to do is you want to go to PayPal. I already have an account, but you're gonna want to say sign up. You're gonna say a personal account. Don't click business account. If you click business account, you're gonna have to make lots of money before even being able to withdraw from PayPal. So don't make a business account. So let's create a personal account. You just say continue. You add your number. I already did this. I'm just gonna log into my account. Just finish the process and open up a Fiverr account. It's pretty easy. Okay, so once you're logged in or signed up, then you're gonna want to scroll down all the way to banks and cards. Then you're gonna say link a card or bank. I already have mine linked up, but you should just link a credit card or a bank. Now it's gonna say credit card, but you're just gonna type in the normal debit card numbers. You can just say I have Visa. Then you enter your card number, the expiration date, the security code, and your address. Then you just link it. Then you're gonna want to go to your bank's PayPal services. Mine is when you go to accounts, the side menu, PayPal services, and from here on forward, you're gonna want to further on link it with your PayPal. Once that is complete, you can go to your Fiverr page. So once you've logged in with your Fiverr account, just go to switch to selling, go to your earnings tab, and then withdraw from PayPal. Now I'm blurring out my funds because I'm not sure if I'm allowed to show how much I make. If you guys do want to see it and it is within the terms of Fiverr, I will make a video on it soon, so just stay tuned for that, and maybe you guys will learn a couple of things. So you're gonna want to click on PayPal account. Then you're going to link up your PayPal account to your Fiverr account. Now this is a much easier step than before. You just add the email. So once that's done, the amount that you can withdraw will be available here. Then you can just click on confirm and withdraw. Now once that step's done, it'll just open up a PayPal tab where you're gonna click accept, and then you're gonna accept the payment and just basically show that it is Fiverr that is sending it to your PayPal. Next up, from PayPal, the funds are going to be in your PayPal balance. Then you can go back to your bank account. So once you've logged in again to your bank account, then you can go back to your PayPal services. In FNB, it's PayPal services. Then withdraw from PayPal. Then, easy as this, you just type in the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say I have $150 I want to withdraw. You just type it in. I usually, reasons for transaction is just gift for in case there's an extra fee in the others. I just try to skip that. So then you choose your account, get a quote. Then it's gonna say $150 is about 2,173.02 Rand minus the commission and VAT and fees. Then it's the amount you'll be able to withdraw from your Fiverr to your bank account. Now this does take a couple of days, so be sure you do it a couple of days before you want the money. Let's say it takes a couple of days, like maybe 2 to 3. Once it took me 5 days, or it took the service 5 days, but it's rare that it happens like that. But just in case, make sure you withdraw it as early as possible. So that's it for this tutorial. That's how you link your South African Fiverr account or your Fiverr account to your South African bank account. I hope this video taught you something. If it did, please make sure to like this video and also comment down below if this worked for you. If you have any questions, also make sure to comment it down below. And yeah, if you have any other questions or video suggestions, just make sure to ask. And it's been Dian. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.